Okay, I'm filming my iPad.
Oh my God.
Oop, I'm filming my iPad. Sam got freaking ranch ice cream. Oh god, it's gonna be disgusting. Hold on. Get my phone.
It's so thin.
Oh my god, this smells like ow. Ugh. Oh my god.
It's so damn strong, isn't it?
Yes.
But you don't feel both of us?
I can. Here, let me set it up. You get like a let me get something just in case.
What?
Like I don't know, tea or something.
Water?
Water, I feel like make it worse.
Oh no. Here, you got your soda here.
Okay, you wanna just grab that?
Yeah.
I don't know what you're gonna have to drink.
I got it. Well, here we go torturing ourselves.
Okay. Oh god.
Who told me?
I'm getting a little piece. That's fucking too big.
I can't give him a whole bunch.
Who?
You. I can't give you a whole bunch.
Oh god, I can't. I'm gonna let you
Oh my fuck.
bend down so they can see your face.
Yeah. Oh my. Ooh, goddamn. This smells like frozen fucking ranch.
You don't even smell like a ranch.
Let's go. I'm going.
You go first.
Fuck. See, I'm gonna test on me. I'm fucking hesitating.
I'm just gonna take a lick. Oh my god.
This has nothing tastes like nothing like fucking ranch.
Sorry I've been gone so long, by the way.
Well, I had to cook the wings, so it was gonna take a minute.
Okay, well, I can record a little bit. I think
We just tortured ourselves, and that it tastes nothing like fucking ranch.
I think I've been gone for like 6 months.
Lazy bitch.
I've been busy.
I've been busy, sucking dick.
Oh my god. Okay, now we're cooking the wings. We're gonna try it. We're dipped in wing. Well, I'm not gonna try it. He's gonna try it.
Yeah, you white wings.
I do like wings, but I don't like wings with bones in it.
So that means I should have got boneless. Are these bones? Could be all bones. Yeah.
And what brand is it?
Tyson.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Oh, that's what?
I'm not gonna tell you. I just saw like a bad thing about them. I saw that they actually like they were holding like chickens in like this big ass room and they could barely move. So I rather I get what's it called, plant-based chicken stuff.
Damn, what the fuck? That's how you know it. I'm gonna just cook a few.
Just cook like 3 or 4.
That's
Don't tell me you're about to put them in the freaking microwave.
No.
He literally puts everything in the microwave.
Fuck no, I don't.
You pretty much do. You literally the other day put what's it called? Pizza rolls in the microwave. That's disgusting.
We never had. Fuck. What? Bitch, we hadn't had pizza rolls in like fucking 2 months.
The other day when we had a few pizza rolls left, you put them in the microwave.
Okay, and?
It's disgusting.
You know what's good? Than putting them in the air fryer.
You know what's good? Putting them in the oven.
The timer for 38 minutes.
Toby. What are you doing,
Yo,
cutie?
bitch.
What are you doing, cutie?
Set a timer for 38 minutes.
38 minutes. Starting now.
Bitch, you didn't set it.
This video is going to be so boring. It's just going to be so random. You're my dog, that's for sure. Loves food.
When this first came out, I thought it was a joke. Then when I thought it was realized that it was not a joke, they was like, I'm wondering what try fuck, I fucked up. I wondered what it tastes like with wings, because that is ranch, and this is these are buffalo wings. So I guess I'll try it. If I puke up, I guess I puke up. I'm regretting this decision already. Because this is fucking weird. Okay.
That's a lot.
Okay, almost. It looks like no ranch.
It's like ass though. Is it bad?
I don't know. Sweet.